Today is Saturday. The sun is bright. Father Ali wakes up early. Omar and Lena are still sleeping. Soon, the children wake up. The children run to the kitchen.
Mother Sarah is making breakfast. The eggs are sizzling nicely. Now for the toast.
Good morning, Mom!
Good morning, my loves.
Good morning, everyone. The family eats breakfast together.
This is yummy. Can we go shopping today?
Yes, today we go shopping. The children are very excited.
Yeah! Yay! Woohoo!
Mother writes the shopping list.
Everyone, shoes on.
Almost ready here.
Done! Me too!
All right, let's go.
They leave the house together. The family drives to the supermarket. All right, we're here.
Look at the wow! So big! Let's go!
All right, let's get a cart. This one looks good. The family enters the store. First, they buy fruit.
Lena picks red apples. Omar chooses bananas. There we go.
Next, they buy vegetables. Father chooses carrots.
Mother chooses tomatoes.
Wow, look at all those cookies. They look so yummy. Which one should we get? That one. Can we buy cookies?
Okay, one box. Now they go to the dairy section. Wow, look at all the milk.
And so much yogurt. Mother takes fresh milk.
Ice cream.
Ice cream for everyone. The cart is full. They wait in line.
Patience, sweetie.
Are we almost there? Look, candy.
The food goes into bags. The family leaves the store. All right, team, let's head home.
Sounds good. What a lovely day.
I'm hungry. Me too.
Father loads the car. The family drives home. We're home.
It's good to be back. Yeah!
Let's get inside. Father carries the grocery bags inside. Omar and Lena help their parents. The family brings the food to the kitchen. Mother takes the food out of the bags. Lena puts the apples in a basket.
Omar puts the milk in the fridge.
Mother puts the vegetables in the fridge.
Father cleans the table.
Ice cream time!
One scoop for you,
Mother gives ice cream to everyone.
and one for you.
This is delicious!
It's so creamy. Mine is the best. This is so...
The children are very happy.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.
So relaxing to be home.
Yeah, shopping was fun though.
I got a new doll. Shopping was fun today.
Mother feels very happy. Yes, it was a wonderful day. Evening becomes quiet.
Lena feels sleepy.
The children brush their teeth.
Time for pajamas! Yay, the colorful ones! So cozy and soft. Bedtime ready.
Good night, children.
Good night, children.
Good night, my loves. Sweet dreams.
We'll always be here.
Love you.
The children lie in bed. Soon, the children fall asleep.
It is bedtime.
Sweet dreams, little ones. Good night.
The children sleep well.
The house is quiet. It was a happy family shopping day.